Hello everyone, Timothy here with the 2024 UAV Commercial Drone Expo, and I have the pleasure of being once again with my brother Tim Ingram with Camp Champ and Hollywood Drones. Tim, how you doing, man?
It's always good to see you, my friend.
Always good to see you too.
Thanks for having us. So.
This is like family to me right
absolutely,
here. You know what I'm
absolutely.
So, every time I connect with Tim and Skip and Hollywood Drones, it's always a pleasure. Tim, I'm going to keep it simple, but I want you to tell the audience, number one, who you are, but
sure.
who you represent, what the company is all about.
Awesome.
And just take it away.
Yeah, well, there's three companies. There's Hollywood Drones, there's Camp of Champions, and FIDAUSA. FIDA is the one that I'm working mostly with the school districts, and FIDA is a worldwide organization. We had 1 billion people watch us in Korea at the last World Championships on TV. It's this giant ball up here. They go 100 miles an hour. It's 5 versus 5. But we have something for kids that are as young as 4 years old. So in the last World CES show here, we brought in Grossmont College to play against Korea. We had Korea versus the United States and American Legion versus Korea. And we demoed it for the first time in the US at the Class 40 level. So we're working heavily with the school systems, putting the systems into the classrooms. There's a massive shortage of pilots in the United States. So this is the hook into the industry.
Okay.
So we're getting kids as young as 4 interested in drones. They're participating, playing, and then they turn into drone pilots.
So Tim, is there anything new that you guys are working on to bring out,
Yeah, but I'd have to shoot you.
I figured. I was just trying to see if I could get anything out of you.
Well, I'll give you a little, that little ball over there is the only one in the world, this little guy. Right here. It's the first one in the world.
Yes.
For a new game that's coming out as well.
Oh,
so
nice.
We're ready to launch that real soon, so it's going to be really killer. So It's just another thing added to the whole system of what we're doing with the kids and getting them involved in the game.
So last question. Now, I've seen other competitors out there trying to do the same thing.
There's no competitors.
I love that. I love that attitude.
And I'll tell you why.
Why?
This is the safest product on the market. You're not going to cut any fingers off. You're not going to have any issues with any of our drones that way. Second, it's only one place that has a world organization. Just like FIFA and soccer, there's only one, and it's called FIDA. We're FIDAUSA.
Right.
Federation of International Drone Soccer Association, 28 countries worldwide. We're spending $25 million building a stadium for the next World Cup in Korea. So we have, there's other companies, but there's really no competition.
Yeah, there's no competition. Let's just get that right. No competition whatsoever.
Right. That's right.
You can't even look them up.
That's right, exactly. So FIDAUSA all the way, man.
Awesome. Tim, it's always a pleasure. Thank you so much for taking the time, man. And I look forward to working with you guys and doing more stuff.
Of course. You're the best.
Thank you.
Thanks, buddy. All right, bud.
That's a wrap.
Appreciate it, man.